Do you really know who you have in your house? It's Child Month, and this week's show tackles one of the most urgent and overlooked issues in our homes. Join Max, Jackie, Lady D, and myself this Saturday at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, live on Inside the Zone on the YouTube channel, as we explore the silent struggles of our children, many of whom are being influenced by sex, poverty, peer pressure, and a crumbling sense of right and wrong. Some are too afraid to talk to their parents about what they are involved in, secrets that are shaping their identity, decisions, and future. Others are raising themselves, navigating life without supervision, direction, or moral grounding. Do you really know who you have in your house? This is more than a topic. It's a wake-up call to listen, lead, and love our children back into safety. Subscribe now, hit the bell, and don't miss it. Satideh Mawnin Runnings. Real talk, real issues, real change. See you then.